Okay, welcome back. This will be the third exercise. I'm going to just show how fast you can just shift gears on what you're doing. So although I kind of have a castle project here, there's not much need for building castles this way in the world too much anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my initial script, teach me about architecture of a castle. I'm going to take that, I'm going to change it, and then say now change the script entirely to teach me about the architectural architectural of, let's say, um, uh, teach me about the massing of an architectural complex in and that's it. We'll just start with that. And that will get us started, and then I can go into here and I can save that file, and then we'll just take that castle file over from what it was, and we'll make that castle. We'll change that to 1, and we'll do a massing, which I think I had already in architectural massing, so this will be massing architecture. So it'll be a little different. Animation, we'll hit that. And this one, we will grab our script entirely, Control A, and we'll delete it. I think I just grabbed it all and deleted it, and we'll run it empty. And then there's a bunch of geometries here that have to disappear along with cameras and such and things like that. But that'll disappear when we do our reset on our next one. So let's see what it came up with. We'll just do this kind of quickly. It said, let's begin the script by demonstrating a massing of architecture, create basic massing models. So you can expect that. So let's put it in here. It is clearing the existing one, so I'm going to paste it in and I'm going to run it. And now we have a pretty simple architectural massing project, but you can see there's already problems with the logic of, if we select some of these, there's no animations. Oh, there is an animation. And that's it. Um, let's ensure that the geometry doesn't go below the x, y, 0 plane. And let's just see if that makes sense. So when this expands, it just expands up from the bottom. So it's building a little animation of a rising city. That's pretty simple. And I'm not very interested in the shapes, but that's a good way to change it. And let's see if we can't get something a little more interesting. Let's see if it comes up with anything in Word. Ensure the gravity replacement build building bases. The bottom of each building geometry will align with the X-plane, ensuring the building. So that should be fine. We'll just double check that one. Cameras there. I wonder if the camera's working. Oh, the camera's working, but the camera's like off in the middle of nowhere, looking off at, I don't know, staring off into space. There it is, a little tiny camera. And it's not facing the right direction, so we'll have to focus that later if we want to use the camera. Anyway, let's put it in there. Let's run the script again. Control A, paste. See what we got. There it is. So now it's growing up in the Z as an architectural mass, which is kind of nice because it's more but it should be interesting. Let's just try one thing. Let's see if it's got any cool renders. It's got no cool items or anything on it. Transparent should be fine. Let's just see where this project goes. And the best way to do that is said make this script more interesting, realistic, modern, and detailed to teach me more about massing an architectural complex. Please write out in full and make the camera face the massing at all times. And it probably won't. I've just had some trouble with that. I'll probably have to be more explicit in how I get it to do that. But let's run that and see what happens. This massing is working, so why not take it, save it, and while it's writing that script over here, We'll just save as a second version of this. And you see how you end up with file after file that are megabytes. You're going to fill up your storage pretty fast. Once in a while you want to go back, put what you like on the cloud, and delete all the work that you've done. A very fast way to make some pretty elaborate scripts. 100 lines of script that works. Kind of thinking the animation is a parametric quality to it. And I'm just going to keep going with this series until somebody finds it interesting or not. But this is the way I do it. It's not rocket science. Anybody can kind of figure it out. Somebody's phone's ringing. I think my audio's fine. And that's quite a little load of code. So let's do it. Let's stop the animation. I copied it. Control A. And I think we got everything. 1 second. Got a phone. All right, back at it. So let's grab that. Let's see how many lines of code it was. 111. What did it choose to do differently? It did drop some below the bottom. And we'll run it. And there we go. But it's got some nice little city streets in between and different shaped buildings that it's thinking about. Yeah. So it's building kind of nice little architectural complex max. Still pretty general. It's got some cool lighting. So I'm starting to get shadows and simulations of that. And the camera angle as I run is staying focused on the center. So there it is. You can bring that down and think about what you're doing. So that's enough to start, and you can see that you start to build some kind of interesting, cool stuff to begin with. Play with lights and colors as you go. And we'll just keep processing that script. Thanks very much for watching.